Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first action. Check your OS build and install any pending updates so compatibility issues are removed. Next, enable required system permissions, developer options, or accessibility, because the floating manager needs elevated access to list apps. Once done, reboot the device to clear stuck processes and immediately close background applications. This clears locks that make apps unavailable. Now you're ready to open the floating window tool and proceed to diagnostics. Now inspect the floating app's internal settings and force a list refresh so the tool rescans installed packages. Make sure it has display over other apps and background activity permission, because without them, the system hides available targets. Clear the floating app cache and force stop it to remove stale state, then relaunch. This forces a fresh permission handshake and package query. If the list still shows none, use the built-in rescan or manual add option to explicitly include target apps. Finish by validating the floating window can attach to one app. Open the target app and trigger the floating tool while watching for permission prompts. If it fails, reinstall the floating tool to reset broken manifests. Also inspect OEM task managers and aggressive battery savers. They often silently revoke permissions, disable them temporarily. If still failing, create a temporary user or guest profile to test if device-level restrictions cause the issue. This isolates account-specific settings. That one test usually reveals the remaining blocker.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.